Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by ensuring safe access. Disconnect the 12V negative terminal and wait 5 minutes so DC capacitors bleed. This prevents high voltage fault. Once done, lift the Volt with rated jack stands and remove the underbody shield to reach the battery pack fasteners. Make sure to keep the new battery nearby and the service disconnect tool ready. You'll use a 10 mm, 13 mm, and a torque wrench. Organize sockets in order. This gets you into the pack without delay, minimizing exposure to HV components. You now remove the pack. Photograph connectors, label harnesses, then disconnect service plug and high voltage interconnects in sequence to avoid unintended arcs. Once the service plug is out, unbolt the pack fasteners and use a hoist or two people to slide the pack rearward and out. Position the replacement pack, reverse the steps, and torque fasteners to manufacturer specs. This ensures structural integrity and electrical contact. Make sure harnesses sit without tension and that grommets are seated to prevent chafing or water ingress. You complete the job by reconnecting the 12V battery, following the Volt's BMS reset procedure in the service manual so the battery management system relearns cell data. Once reconnected, perform key cycles and let the BMS initialize. Watch for readiness lights and cleared faults. If a fault persists, use an OBD-ROMAN2 scanner to read DTCs, then recheck HV connectors and the service disconnect seating. One key troubleshooting tip. If the pack won't enable, remove the service plug, wait, reseat it.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.